spot. I'm in spot 3. It's absolutely lovely. Hey everybody, David, aka RVJEDEYE, aka CAR-V-JEDEYE, and I am car camping in the beautiful Bayview State Park in Washington, Skagit County. One of the things that you always think about when you're car camping is space, and you want more space if you can get it. You can open your doors, you can open your tailgate, you want to do whatever you can to get the most space in your vehicle, especially if it's raining or something like that and you just want to kick back and chill. So I'm going to try something new to help extend my outdoor or indoor living space, and that's with this. This is the Hasika Tailgate Shade and Awning. Now, they say this will extend my outdoors very easily, and it's so easy. You can put it up in about 5 minutes. We'll see how long it takes me, but let's try it. See how it works. Okay, so I tried to do a time lapse of me setting it up. Unfortunately, the camera stopped, so I don't have that footage. So it took me a lot longer than 5 minutes to set this up. There are no instructions on how to do it, and the time lapse that I tried to do stopped in the middle of it. So I'm just going to take you through what I did and show you. I think this could be an interesting thing moving forward, but I got to figure out how to deal with the stakes in the ground a little bit better. So let me show you. The awning just wraps around the tire here and then goes up. You can see the side here. I think it's I think I have it hooked up correctly. So this is how it looks up. That's the back. And what you can notice here is that there are zippers that you can unzip and look inside and hang out here. It hooks underneath as well. I didn't hook it there. Let me zip this back up or down. And then it comes around to the side again, hooks up on the wheels, and I think this is it, although I think I can extend it out even more, just kind of pushing it if I want some more coverage. So this is what it looks like from the inside. That's all netting right there. Again, I think I could sleep like this if I didn't have the awning up as well. It would close up and I guess be dark, or I could roll it and tie it on top. But this is definitely going to be an option for me, and certainly something that I will use on a regular basis moving forward. So I think this really is going to be a game changer for me, because I'll be able to just undo the back, chill out, and relax. I'll make sure to put a link to this in the description below in case you want to pick up a Hasika Tailgate shade and awning tent. Again, I think it could be really good for you. It's really good for me so far. I'm looking forward to just chilling out and relaxing here. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, car camp however you need to. Enjoy the great outdoors. And maybe a product like this will help you enjoy it even more. We'll see you next time.